This is a day you will always remember, the greatest in anyone's life. You're starting off the day two people in love, and today you will end it as husband and wife.
How beautiful does my wife look? I first met Steph 23 years ago in kindergarten. We both definitely didn't think life would bring us here. I mean, how could we? We were only 5. For all those years in school that we knew each other, we weren't really friends at all. If anything, I used to bully her a little and call her names. Now I'm blessed to call her my wife. I call upon the persons here present to witness that I, Daniel Ali,
That I, Stephanie Jo Raham,
take thee, Stephanie Jo Raham,
take thee, Daniel Ali,
to be my lawfully wedded wife.
to be my lawfully wedded husband.
Steph, you are the most caring person I know. Not only do you care for me, but for everyone you love, and you prove to me every day why you are so special. It's the little things about you that make you shine so bright to me.
Daniel, when I think about the past 2 years, it shocks me how far we've come, personally and as a couple, and I'm so proud of us. I always feel emotional when I say this. You were the biggest risk, but the biggest reward. I put everything on the line and I wouldn't change it for the world, because you've given me the world and more.
Stephanie, I promise to always love you through thick and thin. I promise to always take care of you and make sure you have eaten no matter how hungry you get. I promise to share everything I have with you, except for the last bit of Nutella. I promise to make sure you smile when you get sad, and I promise to let you win sometimes in Mario Kart.
You make me feel a way that no one has ever made me feel. All of the weird things you do, now we're gonna be weird together for life. You've loved me at my best and at my worst, and that makes me love you 100% more. It's been the best 2 years of my life, and I can't wait for forever. I'm not a very affectionate person, but you brought out a side in me I never knew existed. I'm excited to take on the future, good or bad, with you. We need it.
Steph, you have honestly been a best friend to me, a counselor, my personal chef, and now my wife. I love you so much, and I'm so excited to spend the rest of my life with you.